Bonjour.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Oh. Oh dear. Do you have to turn it on?
Oh yeah.
Oh Lord. Well, I think you do one at a time, Jim. Just blowing up your machine. Wow.
What?
Oh. She goes, watch. This is kind of like William's coffee pour, but juice pour. Get some more cereal, pastry, mum's juice. It is a lovely day. We have some pastries and beautiful latte. Brioche French toast. And I just got 2 eggs, over easy, rosti, spinach, mushrooms with my coffee. Okay guys, this is my ensemble for today, and it is an all black ensemble. This is our last day here in Auckland, and we are going to head out to Waiheke Island on the ferry. So we're going to head out on the boat, so I just wanted to be comfy again. So I have my flannel over my butt. Someone asked about this, so I'll link it below. It's from Cotton On. It's the Brooklyn Hustle tee, which I think is really funky. I'm giving myself a bit of like New York vibes today. So compression leggings and my Adidas Gucci sunnies. Doesn't really go with this ensemble, but I'm gonna wear my glass and straw hat because it's sunny today, and I will carry my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack again as a backpack that was so handy yesterday. So let's go get Jules. We've come down. I told you there was a ship in, Jules. We've come down to head on to the ferry, and I just said there's a ship in, and she goes, where? And I said, there. Holy macaroni. Holy crap. That's a big boat.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go across the road and
I just put sun cream all over my the boat. Oh my god. I just put sun cream, a little bit of sun cream on.
yeah, but we don't want to miss our ferry.
We're not going to. A little bit of sun cream on from the lady.
I thought it was hand wash.
And we're walking to Pier 1 where our ferry is going. We're actually changed locations. We're going to go and have a nice coffee in Devin Court.
Thank you.
Thank you. quaint. So, Devin Court is a what? Victorian settlement. Yep. Little seaside village. It is. Plain tourist. I'm going to get this one for Willie. Or this one. It's to take over the banana hat. What do you think? A little bit more sophisticated than the banana hat?
Yeah.
This is a sign of our day and age. Mama, look. Pure energy crystal gumball machine. That's so cool. It's a pure energy crystal gumball machine for kids.
You need the whole gumball.
I need the whole gumball machine. Oh, that's the zhuzh. Let's see that. Oh. What about the other one with the band? What about underneath the brown one there? Here. No, here.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Can you at least just try the white one on? Sorry, dog. Can you at least just try that beautiful white one on? That's an investment. Show the vlog, they want to see.
Too big.
No, the white one with the boat ribbon. Let's see.
Too big.
Is there another size? Oh, that one.
We did find a mirror at the video. Can't buy a hat without a mirror.
Yeah, that's true.
It's too big doing
That is so smart. Oh, shame.
My hair looks.
Do you want to show the vlog what you got? They love your gelato updates.
I don't know what I look like though.
Okay, you look fine. A little bit windswept.
Oh, look, I could get my nail fixed.
Windswept spiky hair. It's fine. Everyone loved your chemical straighten that I did for you.
Oh my god.
They said you look so sophisticated.
Well, sorry. I thought I looked horrific.
Okay, so what gelato did you get? Let's tell everybody.
Hokey Pokey and Ferrero Rocher.
Oh.
Neither of them, let me tell you, tastes like Hokey Pokey or Ferrero Rocher.
Dear God. And this cafe had all press, which I love all press. I love this coffee. Oh, wait. Oh, are we getting a janky nail in the vlog? Alright, I'm showing them. I'm getting a janky nail in the vlog. And Mum got a new water bottle souvenir for Mussy. Oh,
Sean the sheep.
Sean the sheep, because we're having a few issues with his Camelback water bottle at kindy. There's a they told Mum there's a cult leader in the kindy who's encouraging them. They're all encouraging each other to pull the straws out of their Camelback bottles when they're drinking up like this, and the water comes splashing down, so they're all getting soaking wet. There's just one encouraging them to all do it. We have found the most beautiful little quaint gift shop slash florist, and because we love flowers so much we have to show you. Just look at these little boxed posies. Like, is that not the most beautiful thing you have ever seen? Look at this, posy with jug. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. This is all real. Oh. That, Mum, this one's divine. That's so beautiful. Would you like to tell the vlog what happened? Step inside the shop. Would you like to tell the vlog? Can you look, please? Yeah. R.I.P. Bunny.
Oh, Bunny's gone. Bunny's gone.
And when I gave him new Bunny, he goes, Bunny's gone. Tell them the story.
Didn't he say, where's Bunny?
No, I gave him, because I have 2 of these, but his original bunny, when I gave it to him the second one,
He
he
went
goes,
visiting family and Bunny can't be found. But the whole family searched high and low.
my
We're
in-laws.
not sure where Bunny is.
Yeah, R.I.P. Bunny.
R.I.P. Bunny.
And we are eating here at Hemingway's Garden Bistro. How enchanting! Okay, we changed places.
Hello.
And have some yummy lunch in this pretty restaurant.
Spicy bean tortilla.
It's only have the garlic, oregano, and the sauce.
Oh, that's right. As long as it's in the sauce, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter?
No.
So you're not actually allergic to
I just don't like it. But if it's in the sauce, it won't matter. As long as it's not sprinkled on the top.
Oh, right, okay.
Thank you. The dessert.
So pretty. I got the nachos. And Mom got a pizza. Actually, that looks like a lovely pizza. Yum.
Yours looks delicious.
Oh, look how pretty, look. In a little beachside village, have you? Look, there's a poppy bush just growing. This is my favourite one, this house. Look at this. Stunning. They're growing wisteria on their porch. Jules is wanting her second gelato of the day. Look at these ice creams. Are you serious right now? Cold pressed coffee Alfredo. Salted white caramel. Oh my god, look at the chocolate one, Mum. What's that chocolate one at the back? Gingerbread chocolate. Mum, she can't hear you. That's epic. Did you remember what you got?
Yeah, passion fruit on the top, which is exquisite. This is exquisite gelato. This top is the best. In fact, I just decided I've got a new career. I'm going to be a gelato
Connoisseur.
and what do they go around?
Reviewer.
A gelato reviewer.
You could start a YouTube channel and you could travel the world tasting and rating gelato.
And start. Trisha just said I can start a YouTube channel going around the
They
world.
heard me.
They heard.
So what's the bottom one?
And this one's a coffee and crunch something or
No,
other.
it's not. It's a white chocolate coffee affogato.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
And
This is
I
amazing.
thought I would join Mum. I'm not a gelato fan at all, but I got a little honeycomb cup.
What a great
Just
new
in
career.
honour of Mussy.
New career.
They were laughing at Mum because she was just doing her inappropriate moaning noises at how beautiful all the ice cream was. And,
oh my god.
and they were saying, oh, you like ice cream? I was like, no, she's a gelato addict.
I could live on gelato and prawns.
Oh,
for the rest of
ew,
my life.
not together though.
Not in that order. Prawns.
I
first.
don't have a sweet tooth. I
Gelato
prefer
second.
savoury. I could eat 20 pizzas, but this woman, all day. Should we end the vlog in front of the ship? With the ship behind us. Hang on. Wait. There's no light on us. We're ending the vlog. Thank you so much for coming around New Zealand, Auckland with us. This is our last day and we're heading back to Sydney tomorrow. Of course I will vlog it. because it's Vlogtober, but we're just saying bye. Bye from New Zealand. Auckland, New Zealand. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.